who cried hoof. Once upon a time, there was a boy who became bored when he watched over the village sheep grazing on the hillside. To entertain himself, he sang out, "Hoof, hoof, the hoof is chasing the sheep." When the villagers heard the cry, they came running up the hill to drive the hoof away. But when they arrived, they saw no hoof. The boy was amused while seeing their angry faces. "Don't scream, hoof boy," warned the villagers. When there is no hoof, they angrily went back down the hill. Later, the shepherd boy cried out once again, "Hoof, hoof, the hoof is chasing the sheep." To his amusement, he looked on as the villagers came up the hill to scare the hoof away. As they saw there was no hoof, they said strictly, "Save your frightened cry. When there really is a hoof, don't cry, hoof boy, when there's no hoof." But the boy grilled at their words while they walked grumbling down the hill once more. Later, the boy saw a real hoof sneaking around his flock. Alarmed, he jumped on his feet and cried loud as he could, "Hoof, hoof!" And the villagers thought he was fooling them again. And so they did not come to help. At sunset, the villagers went looking for the boy who hadn't returned with their sheep. When they went up the hill, they found him weeping. "There really was a hoof here. The flock is gone. I cried out hoof, but you didn't come," he wailed. An old man went to comfort the boy as he puts his arms around him. He said, "Nobody believes a liar, even one is telling the truth. So, children, lying breaks trust. Even when we're telling the truth, nobody believes a liar." And that's the end of my story.